Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify connect ClickUp to Slack using make.com. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to make.com. Log in to your make.com account. If you don't have an account, consider creating one. Once logged in, locate the dashboard. Click on the Create a New Scenario button. In the Scenario Builder, search for ClickUp. Drag the ClickUp icon into the scenario workspace. Next, search for and add the Slack icon to your scenario. Now, click on the ClickUp icon to configure its settings. Select the Watch Tasks option from the available triggers. You will need to connect your ClickUp account if it's not already linked. Follow the prompts to authorize make.com to access your ClickUp account. After authorization, choose the specific workspace and task list to monitor. Now click on the Slack icon to set up its action. Select the Send a Message action from the Slack options. Connect your Slack account by following the authorization steps. Choose the channel where you want the messages to be sent. Customize the message format to include task details. Once you've set up the connections, click on the Run Once button to test the scenario. Make a change in ClickUp to trigger the scenario. Check your designated Slack channel for the message. If everything appears as intended, click the Activate button on the scenario. Your ClickUp and Slack integration is now live and operational. Feel free to test further by making more changes in ClickUp. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.